Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Clever Minds. In this video, I am going to do an activity called Make Your Own Magnetic Compass. Before watching this video, please also watch one video called How to Make Your Own Magnet. In that video, we showed how to magnetize an alpine. That process is also used in this video. So please subscribe to my channel Clever Minds so that you get notifications when I upload new video. Let's start the activity.
The activity name is How to Make Your Own Magnetic Compass. Before starting the video, materials required are glass of water, bar magnet, leaf, needle. First, take bar magnet and needle. We should magnetize the needle in this way. We should magnetize the needle. Pull up and drag it. Pull up, drag it. We should do the process for 20 to 30 times. Then keep the leaf on the water. Place the needle. Place the needle. It is showing like this. Again disturb it. See, you can also see in the same direction. So, this is north,
This is north.
and this is south. This is south, this is north. You can also see again. It is rotating and it is stopping at one place.
So if you don't have a compass, you can also use this activity. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.